Hello friends, today I am going to start a new topic which is chapter number 3, polygons. This is only introduction class, so we'll start with geometrical figure. Okay, so let us start geometrical figure. For geometrical figure, we can say a set of points. A set of points is called geometrical figure. Okay, it can be of one point and it can be of many points. Now the next one we have to know about plane geometrical figure. Plane geometrical figure means any of the geometrical figure which can be made on a plane sheet. Okay, so we can write like any geometrical figure which can be pictured on plane sheet is called plane geometrical figure. Okay, after knowing these two, we have to know about curve. Curve is also a geometrical figure. Okay, or we can say any of the figure which can be drawn without setting our hand, okay, from the paper. Okay, like you see, I have not removed hand from this whiteboard and I have made this. In that way, you can see this. Okay, all I have made without removing our hand from this whiteboard. So if we do not sit our hand and we are able to make a kind of shape, that is called a curve. Okay, so without removing our hand, if we make any of the shape, that is curve. Now we will classify it as closed curve or an open curve into two parts. Curve. One I am saying open curve. Another one it is closed curve. Okay. Here I am making this. Here one more figure I draw. This side. So what kind of difference is there? You can see in open curve there are two end points. Okay, two end points will get. You can see here also. But in closed curve you will not get any end points. So no end points. This is only the difference between open curve and closed curve. Okay, next we have to know about this closed curve. We will classify it more. in closed curve we have to know about simple closed curve and closed curve but not simple. Okay, so writing it here, closed curve, and trying to categorize it into two parts. Number one, simple closed curve and closed curve but not simple, okay, with the example only we will try to understand it. Simple closed curve, it means the line will not overlap to each other, okay, like this. This is simple closed curve. It will not overlap to each other, but here look, another I take. Okay, you can see these two curve is being overlapped at a particular point. It's being intersect. Okay, so in this way, simple closed curve you can understand, and closed curve but not simple. Okay, next we have to know about polygons. Polygons. What are polygons? Any of the geometrical shape made by using only line segment, or any closed figure, any closed figure made by using line segments only is called polygon. Okay, fine. What it means, if I make this is what this shape is made by using only line segment. I use this A, B, C. This is also made by using line segment. So any of the shape which is made by using only line segments, that will be a polygon. Okay. One markable thing is there. All the polygons are a curve, but all the curves are not a polygon. Okay, now we have to know about classification of polygons. We'll classify it now in different shapes. Now we'll classify it now. Classification of polygon. In classification, you see first, with one line segment, can we make a polygon? We can't. With the two line segments, can we make a polygon? We can't. With three, can we make a polygon? Yes. So it means what? Minimum, for making a polygon, we have required minimum 3 sides or 3 line segments. Okay. Lesser than that, we are not supposed to make any of the polygon. Okay. So now I write this side number of line segments used. Okay, and this side I am writing name of polygon. By using three line segments. Okay, what we can make? We can make like this, and we call it what? Triangle. By using four line segments, we can make this type of shape, and it is called quadrilateral. Now, five line segments, we can make like this, and we call it pentagon. With the six line segments, we can make like this, one, two, three, four, five, six. It is called hexagon. With the seven, we can make heptagon. With the 8, we can make octagon. With the 9, we can make nonagon. And with the 10 line segments, we can make decagon. Okay, so in this way we have classified different polygons like triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, as so on. Now we'll move about types of polygons. We have categorized it into two types of polygons. One we call convex polygon, and the next one is concave polygon. In convex polygon, you will see all the angles lesser than 180. Okay, means in this you will see angles less than 180. Okay, but in concave you will find one angle more than 180. Okay, so I am writing it here A, B, C, D. So one angle less than one, more than 180. Saying P, Q, R, S. After knowing these things, we have to know about diagonals. It is simple line segments, okay, which we get by joining non-consecutive points of a polygon. Okay, so like I start with triangle saying A, B, C. Now we'll find out non-consecutive points. 3 points are there, 1, 2 and 3. A and B both are consecutive. B and C both are consecutive. C and A both are consecutive. So here no such things are there, not possible. So in this way, no diagonals are there. Okay. Now I make a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. B and D, you can see these two are non-consecutive points. So we'll join it. A and C, these two are non-consecutive. So in this way, there are two diagonals. What are they? A, C and B, D. Now I make a pentagon also, saying A, B, C, D, E. In this way, A and C, these two are non-consecutive. We'll join it and we'll get a diagonal. B and D also non-consecutive. C and E another non-consecutive. E and B another, and A and D another. So in this way you can see AC 1, BD 2, CE third, DA fourth, and AC I have written already, EBE, yeah, EB. So 5 diagonals are possible in pentagon. After this, we have to know about regular polygons. Regular polygons. Regular polygons are those polygons in which all the sides are equal. Okay, like in this triangle, if I say all are equal, so this will be regular polygon. A, B, C. This square, it is also a regular polygon. All the sides are equal. This pentagon, if I say all are equal, so this will be also regular polygon. We call it equilateral triangle. This is square, and for this pentagon, as all the sides are equal, we say it is regular pentagon. And like this, regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular heptagon. Okay.